So last year, Starbucks discontinued the gingerbread latte. You'd have thought my husband would have died. He searched high and low for the best gingerbread syrup recipe, and I think he found it. So we're here to share it with you today. They still don't have their gingerbread latte, correct?
No.
So hopefully, if this is something you really like, you can make this at home.
It's actually better.
It's better than Starbucks?
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I will say it's pretty good. So I'm going to have him show you how he makes it.
The ingredients for this are a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of molasses.
Blackstrap molasses is probably the best choice here.
A teaspoon of ground ginger. You can use ground dried, that you get in the spice rack at the store. We prefer to use fresh ground ginger, and we'll show you how we, what's the word?
Grate?
How we grate, yes.
And actually that's important. That really makes this recipe.
Yes. If you can, use fresh ginger. Teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's pretty simple. You put them all in a pan, you heat it to a boil, you boil it for about a minute, then you reduce heat and you simmer it for 5. Let it cool. Put it in a container that you can use to put in your flat whites or lattes, and there you have it. When the syrup is done, we have a nice container like this. That is a glass that we keep it in. Has a nice pouring lid. You might want to find something like this for your syrup. We fill this with the syrup. Target. We got this at Target. So this will, the batch will make just enough to fill this container. Put it in here, and we keep this right next to the espresso machine.
So there you have it. I hope you loved this recipe. If you did not write it down, that's fine. I'm going to leave a link below to my homepage, theorderedhome.org. The recipe will be there on my blog, along with some other recipes you may find enjoyable. Please subscribe and like this video if you like it. Also, if you like the music here that you're listening to, my husband is a singer, and he has some Christmas carols that he's been working on. So I'm going to leave the link here also for his page. So make it a happy day. I hope you find order, peace, and love.
Happy holidays. 3 teaspoons. Cheese.
It's not easy, is it? It's really very
I know, it's all that. Oh, I need my glasses.
He needs his glasses. Joni,
You're in the way.
you're going to supervise. Are you the director of this video? You want to say action? Say action. Do you want a treat? That's what you want. You just want a treat. You're here for the treats.